9:50 a.m. Superintendent of Police.
Sang by Diet Trainees Lawngtlaiah, and the public will remain standing in response to this solemn flag hosting activity.
Mana Adinayaka Jaya Hai Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Taranga Tava Subha Name Jage Tava Subha Samage Gahe Tava Jaya Natha Jana Gana Mangala Dayaka Jaya Hai Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya Hai Jaya Hai Jaya Hai Jaya 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 Hai.
Mizapi Tuha Usi Atutu Convoy Kwame Parade Contingent for Inspection.
After the parade for 20 contingents after the Lawngtlaiah Ajurhe Sima.
Ceremonial parade ni Enidona Bunha Parade Contingents. Sumbi Departemen Armed Contingent Pekat Armed Contingents Peruk. Apumpi Parade Commander He SI Lalpan Zaba Asile, Assistant Commander He ASI Lalpan Asile. Working with the Labin Zagana. Atuti Mithun Alan, Upatna Petuna Mizoram Police, 3rd IR Battalion Timpa Ansing, and Commander He SI PC 12 3rd IR Battalion Asile. Ibu anak Pak Yong Yong Don Bosco School NCC and Commander He Sergeant Larang Muntuya Class 9 Model English Schools, Scouts and Guides and Sile, and Commander Cecilia Chhimthlipui Class 8 Asile. Tu ini pun alat upat na pediaw nahi Ulusani English School, Scouts and Sile, and Commander Jacob Lawngtlaiah Class 8. class 7 kasi Pun alam upat na peto na himulog sa aming English school guides ang sila ang commander nila sila long kami class 8 kasi
na ang sa paibog kan po ini downtown in the school scouting guides and ang commander ang din labing swimming class 6 ani Ang kalit, tirahan po sa pagbubuk po din Don Bosco School Scouting Guides. Ani ang commander din Malsong Hizwala Class 7. Ani, ang mga kalit mo po yung Kaufman Region Higher Secondary School Boys din. Ang commander din is Lawngtlaiah Class 11. Ani, ulit tirahan po sa pagbubuk po din Government Region Higher Secondary School Boys din. Ani, ang mga kalit ni Government Region Higher Secondary School Girls din niya ang commander here ng Pakmoy Class 11. Ang commander here ng Pakmoy Class 11B ani alito na nagpuwi ng Puanzar sa Baybog Tutihin Government Region Higher Secondary School Girls di ani. Ang humaron ng Lawngtlaiah Government Region High School Girls din niya ang commander here CMS Bangzwali Class 9 ani. Saluting the national flag right now is Government Region Higher Secondary School Girls. Their commander is CMS Bangzwali Class 9.
Kung alam upat na peto na ni Government Region High School Boys ang sila ang commander Kilal sa Himataw Class 9 kasi wahin alam upat na ang penyaw kung alam upat na peto na ni Government Southern Public High School ang sila ang commander ni Samson Ropuida na Class 9 ang sila kung alam upat na peto na ni Government College Beng High School ang sila ang commander ni Amos Lalchansang Class 9 kasi kung alam upat na peto na himulog sa aming English School Boys ang sila ang commander ni J. Van Laloma Class 9 kasi Lipun alam upat na peto na himulog sa English School Girls ang sila ang commander ni Kayla din Class 9 as well.
Una ang pangkat sa Baybog po ini Don Bosco School. Yan ang commander ni Marshall T. Melvin ng Class 9 ani. Saluting the national flag right now is Jehovah Jireh Higher Secondary School Boys. Their commander is also Lawngtlaiah Class 9. Ang bungarang kalit ni Jehovah Jireh Higher Secondary School Girls din ang commander is Lawngtlaiah. commander he sila rin water class 8 ani ala to na kang pangza si Balbukli kan po tahi Jehovah Junior High Secondary School girls di ani ala to na kang pangza si Balbukli kan po tahi lahas ani ang commander he PH Life Right 1 class 11 ani Além toda a relação da lei, não pode dar para o povo. Nem todo dia é junior in school também. A comunidade de Lawngtlaiah class 7. Ani.
Ni pun anak upat nak pun downtown English school dan sedang commander learning dia pun class 9 saya. Ni pun alam upat nak pun ni Harvard Higher Academy and sedang and commander hero Sami anak class 10 asal. Ang pun alam pun nahi Vista Higher Secondary School and sila at commander ni Michael Elsa Lura class 11 asal.
Correct conditions tulad ng pangza si Balbukli kan po at maganda rin kan tahi Vista Higher Secondary School di ani ang commander ni Michael Elsa Lura class 11 ani.
Nagte in Zabain Republic Day Wavi 75 na Chibaika Book Acheu. To put our great nation in the face of the map with dignity and pride, on this day, India adopted the Constitution which every citizen enjoys today. We are fortunate to have a constitution which ensures, besides many other things, education for all, adult franchise, healthcare, security and welfare of everyone. While enjoying the fundamental rights given to us by the constitution, we must not forget that we do have a fundamental duty to protect the sovereignty, integrity, democratic and republic nature of our nation, in order to conserve our vibrant nation. Many of you might not be knowing me as I am just 8 days old in Lawngtlaiah district, but in these few days I am amazed to witness the various cultural diversities, scenic landscape. Lawngtlaiah, who was born and raised and had walked these hills, who besides his many disadvantages stood his ground against the exploitation of the British during his time. I realized how fortunate I am to walk among you as a Deputy Commissioner of Lawngtlaiah district. I hope the feeling is mutual. In these few days of staying in the district, I am happy to learn and share with you the developmental works, welfare schemes and programs implemented in the district to improve and uplift the living standard, the society and the district and of the nation. First of all, sustainability is the science at Government Regional High School was also constructed, and to impart practical skills to the students, vocational education such as IT, agriculture, automobiles and tailoring was carried out in 15 schools, ICT in 21 schools and smart classroom in 14 high schools. Residential hostels and girls' hostels were opened free of cost for students residing outside town area under Samagra Shiksha, and sports academy was opened in 3 middle schools. Between the year 2021-23, the district institution of education and training have produced 11 distinction and 25 first division holder students and have 99 students in the current year. Education is an important armor we have to free us from the shackles of poverty, to bring light to darkness, and to make our district into a better developed district. So, to all the students, do your best while you still have the time. Don't waste it, and do limit your screen time. Do not stick your head to your mobile phones because competition is tough, and I don't want you to fail in the race called life. Besides the point I have mentioned earlier, the important basic foundation for development is road connectivity, clean drinking water, and stable power supply to all settlements. Lawngtlaiah Power Subdivision and Bungtlang South Subdivision, having 11,601 consumers, are operating with approximately 5 megawatt power supply, and to meet the requirement of growing population of the district, construction of two 25 megawatt and 132-33 kV substation at Lawngtlaiah with and 1 kV SASCB is being under the district and expected to be commissioned by 2024. To increase the agricultural produce of our farmers, I am eager to inform you that construction of separate 11 kV feeders for power supply to agricultural lands funded by NABARD RIDF is being carried out, which is partly completed in some areas and expected to be at 100% completed by March this year. Out of 24,082 rural households recorded in the district, the PHC department have achieved providing 99% of functional household tap connection till date. Hopefully, the rest of the houses will be connected.
Second Commander, ASI Chhimthlipui, Lawngtlaiah GUL. Unearned contingents, Longman, that's Hmang Malangan. Longman Pandina, down to unearned contingent train. More than 7 school guides. Longman Patumla, down to the two. Downtown in the school scouts and guides. School contingents. Atanga Longman Pakhatna, down to school contingents. Atanga Longman Pakhatna, down to two. Jehovah Jireh Higher Secondary School, girls, Penny. Longman Padula dong tutu, Lahas. Longman Patunda dong tutu, ML Junior English School te ane. Oleh tunatuan volleyball, men's champion Lawngtlaiah Volleyball Club. Lawngtlaiah Volleyball Club te. Niputan awat din ko laban. Women's champion Anggur Volleyball Club Chhimthlipui. Oleh tunatuan institution itrate laman kahansen chung zamange pakhat na District Hospital Lawngtlaiah. District Hospital Lawngtlaiah. Laman lato ka naman. District Jail. Ito tayo Motherless Home Lawngtlaiah Rescue Center pinalagay sila. District Jail. Motherless Home. Lawngtlaiah Rescue Center.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय